Hello little artist. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Hello. Are you ready? Let's draw. We draw a curve. Next, we draw some small curve. Parallelly, we draw a straight line. We draw a straight line. Next, we draw some small curve. We draw a straight line. Now, time to draw some candle on the top of the cake. Heart shape. It's time to coloring. Red color. Red color. Red color. Yellow color.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. Bird, don't sing. Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring.
Yellow color.
And if that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass is broke, Mama's gonna buy you a Willy Wonka.
Green color. Blue color. Yellow color. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.